Today we'll be installing the 2 gig stove and grill guard here on this stove. So a couple of things to know before we get started. Of course, you want to make sure your stove is in the off position. All of these are. We also want to make sure that when you're installing these, you want to have a flat surface. If there are screws on your grill or stove, right, you want to make sure to align them here. And we also want to make sure we've got 4/10 of an inch of clearance on this stem here. So here we've got about 1/2 inch, so that's perfect. We also need to decide which is the appropriate sleeve to use here. So we've got the malleable sleeve, so this one kind of flexes and stretches around your stem. We won't be using that one today. We'll be using this hard plastic sleeve. So notice here one side is kind of flat. This is the side that's going to go face down onto our stem. So this can only go on one way. I'll install it here. Push it down. The idea is that this magnet here on the sleeve should align with these 3 notches. This is the reed switch. So when in the off position, that magnet should line up with this reed switch. So I'll install it. Perfect. It lines up. And we'll just simply reinstall our knob. So when we open this, the magnet will move from its reed switch and send a signal to the 2 gig panel saying that it's in the open position.